We got here, we're gonna have a CRX tow the big ass monster. Junior did mention he wanted to blow the motor up so he could throw a Prelude motor in today. So this, I think this will do the trick.
This proves the point. Don't buy a Chevy.
Whoa, watch your mouth, dog. Hey, cool, it's already right behind you guys. Yeah, hey. You guys gotta move. This time, right here, hey.
Hey, go! He's ready. You ready?
Hold on. Hold on for the signal light, fool.
We're for the green light, fool.
Hold that way, Junior.
We're thugs.
Fine, golden. You got a bunch. You got a bunch. Go, green light. Look at the little Rex that could, and then that tugboat Rex.